are pleased to show you the 2019 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, 8 speakers, electronic stability control, convertible, security system, compass, fog lights, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, panic alarm. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.